Hi everyone, Amber here from Amber's Accounting and Bookkeeping. Today I want to talk with you about something crucial in bookkeeping and accounting: precise transaction categorization. Now I know that might sound technical or boring, but trust me, it's one of the most valuable things you can get right as a business owner. First, let's clarify what transaction categorization even means. That's a big word. Every time your business spends or earns money, those transactions must be recorded and assigned to specific categories, such as office supplies, payroll, sales income, marketing expenses, etc. You get it. Accurate categorization is the foundation for trustworthy financial information and reports. It helps you understand precisely where your money's coming from and where it's going, and most importantly, how profitable is your business. We all want to know that, right? Let me give you a quick example to show you why this is so important. Imagine a customer named Sarah. Sarah owns a thriving event planning business called Celebrate Everything. Her business is bustling. She manages weddings, corporate events, birthdays, you name it, any event. Sarah is creative, talented, fantastic with clients. However, despite her success and busy calendar, never having time for anything, she always felt uneasy about her finances. She knew money was coming in and invoices were being paid, but at the end of the month, she never quite knew exactly how profitable her events were and which of her services generated the most income. Sarah's bookkeeper, who wasn't detail-orientated, didn't record transactions accurately, very haphazardly, sometimes categorizing vendor payments under miscellaneous and incorrectly labeling catering bills as office supplies. After months of vague reporting, Sarah found herself in a really difficult situation. How am I going to figure out what I'm actually making? She had the opportunity to expand her business into another city. It was an exciting chance, but required financial data to make smart decisions. Bank asked her for detailed profit reports. They asked her for expense breakdowns and even income statements. However, Sarah couldn't give them any confidence because her transactions were poorly categorized and couldn't reflect what was actually going on in her business. So she couldn't actually secure a business loan or line of credit. Feeling stuck, she decided it was time to take control. Stop the nonsense. Sarah reached out to a bookkeeper like us who values and prioritizes accurate accounting. And the first thing they did was carefully review and recategorize every single transaction so that every income and expense and revenue generated was accurately represented on the income statements. They separated marketing expenses for operational costs, clearly labeling each vendor, accurately accounted for payroll, and thoroughly distinguished between event-related expenses. Suddenly, something incredible happened. Sarah could finally see exactly how much she spent on each type of event, precisely how profitable weddings were compared to corporate events, and which areas were eating away at her profits and wasting money. Armed with this clarity, Sarah made immediate adjustments. She streamlined certain vendors, increased pricing for her less profitable events, and invested more in marketing campaigns that brought high-value corporate clients, yes. Not only did Sarah secure financing for her expansion effortlessly, but her business profitability also improved dramatically, all because she finally had precise, accurate, and trustworthy transaction categorization. She was able to see what the story was behind the numbers. So here's why this matters to you. When your transactions are accurately categorized, number one, you gain crystal clear visibility into your finances. Number two, you make informed, confident decisions about your business. You can. Number three, you can spot trends and strengths and weaknesses in your numbers. Number four, you fully are prepared for tax season and audits, and you're prepared when you're seeking financing. Simply put, precise transaction categorization isn't just good bookkeeping, isn't just a thought out there in the sky. It's about clarity, control, and confidence in every financial decision that you make for your business. At Amber's Accounting and Bookkeeping, we pride ourselves on meticulous transaction categorization because we understand its importance. We are number nerds, and that's a good way to look at your numbers by caring about every last dollar. Just like Sarah, countless businesses have found new levels of confidence and profitability by working with us. If you're ready to eliminate uncertainty around your finances, read records, and finally have confidence in your numbers, contact us at our link in the notes. Thank you.